In this video, I will demonstrate how you can add a new event for your club. So once you've logged into Top Dog Events, if you click the menu button, select Trial Secretary and Club Dashboard. Once the dashboard loads, you'll notice there's a button there that says Add Event. We're going to go ahead and click on that. For the sake of this trial, I'm going to create Simon's test trial. I'm going to run it on Christmas Day. So you can enter your start date. The end date there will fill in automatically, but if you're running an event that lasts more than a day, you can put an end date in there. So for the sake of this, let's run a 3-day event. You put in the date that entries close. And then once you've done that, you can select whether or not you want to automatically close the event on the closing date. So if I select yes, at midnight on the 15th, that will close the event. From there, you can select the trial secretary for your trial. That drop down will give you a list of all trial secretaries available to your club. On the next screen is where we add our trials. So usually for a double header agility trial, you'd split this up between AM, PM trial. For something like scent work, you might have one for exteriors, one for containers. Or if you're running a multi-day event, you could have your Saturday event, Sunday event, that sort of thing. So we're going to run Christmas Day agility. Also, if you've only got a single day event, that date field will go away because it's not really relevant. So we'll start at lunchtime, give everyone a chance to sleep in a little. From here, you can select which discipline your trial is going to be. As we add more, they will appear in this list. So we're going to pick agility. I'm going to select novice, excellent, and masters agility, jumping, and the opens. And that's done. If you need to go back and change anything, you can click on it. You can change the name, the time, or you can delete the trial and start over from there. And just for the sake of the demo, I'm going to run Boxing Day Trick Dogs. Same thing, we'll start at lunchtime. And we'll run all classes in there. So this is basically just demonstrating that you can add any combination of disciplines to a single event. On the next screen, you'll get a bunch of options. These will change depending on which disciplines you have selected because they're not all relevant. Firstly, you've got the ability to offer discounted fees for your members. You can charge a different amount for manual entries if you like. You can offer a $5 seniors card holder discount. For agility and obedience, you get the option to select whether or not competitors can enter NFC. And then lastly, whether or not you're going to pass the online processing fees onto the user or if the club is going to take them. On the next screen, you can enter the cost per run or per entry. If you need to split it by class, you can click this link here and it will open up and you can define different prices for different classes. Obviously this is quite messy and not relevant to most disciplines, so I've hidden it behind a button, but yeah, there are some that will need different costs for different classes. So we're going to make it $10 an entry. Members can enter for $8. On the next screen, we can enter our judges. If you're going to enter, if it's the same judge for the entire class, we can enter it in there, and that will be the judge for all heights in novice agility. But if excellent, we're going to split it between judges. You can click the little down arrow and put your judges in and separate them like that. This doesn't need to be filled out when you create the event. You can come back and do it later. After this, you've got the ability to add products. I'm going to skip this for now. We'll cover products in more detail in another video. Lastly is the confirmation screen that shows you everything you've just entered. You can double check it all and click open. If you do need to change anything, you can click on any of these tabs to go back and make the adjustments beforehand. You click open, you'll be brought to your trial dashboard and competitors will be able to enter from this point. If you have a schedule that you'd like to upload, you can do so by clicking the upload schedule button. You've got two options here. You can either upload a file from your computer, or you can link a file from a different website. I usually copy the link for the Dogs West schedule, paste it in here, and when you submit that, it'll copy it across to TopDog. For this demo though, I'm going to use a Scentwork trial schedule that I have on my computer. So I'm going to put that in there and click upload, and then that will upload it to the trial. If we have a look at the actual trial page that the competitors will see, you can see there's now a view schedule button there. If they click on that, it will show them the image. If your schedule is in a document form, such as a PDF, Word document, or Excel, that button will change to say download schedule, and competitors can download it and view it from their phone or computer. So that's it in a nutshell. If there are any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.